#1 victory royale, yeah, Fortnite, we bout to get down. 10 kills on the board right now, just went out Tomato Town.
No, no. Me first live here in your channel. Nice grammar, idiots. Literally, I told you all I have to do is shout his name. Watch this. Trouble! He's gonna go, hello? 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 He joins the call, surely.
Hello? What? Hello? What? Hello? What? Are you alright? Are you okay?
Hello, Tubbo.
Hello?
You fucked up for the last time, Dream.
This is checkmate.
Am I a villain in this story?
We've been overlooked for way too long.
I choose blood! It was never meant to be.
If I can't make people smile, I will make them cry.
Tommy fucked up.
Whoa.
Say you hate me.
We're gonna prove them all wrong.
I got rid of the voice. I got rid of it.
I'm going to fucking kill you.
This place will be a lot different tomorrow.
Do you think I wanted this? You think I wanted